I'm like, okay, where's he gonna stop? Oh fuck. Yes, see, this is taking 2 to 3 business days, yeah. What's happening, you legends? Guys, I know you like your top speed tests, so we're here with the Kdx 125. We just done mods. Let's get top speed testing! Okay guys, we got our GPS going. Let's go and give this thing a proper run. Well guys, there you have it. Top speed run on the Kdx 125. Let me know what you think. We only had front brakes here, so we had to brake a little bit earlier. But we'll definitely do this run again when this thing is tuned even better. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want another top speed video, click over here.